Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to build your very own custom currency index using TradingView. If you've ever wanted a powerful and flexible way to analyze the strength of a currency compared to others on your terms with total control, this is the tutorial for you. By the end, you'll be able to create a synthetic index that lets you see currencies from a new angle, tailored to your trading strategy. Let's dive right in. First, open up TradingView. If you're not familiar, it's one of the most popular charting platforms out there for all kinds of traders. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top of your screen and click on the Products menu. This brings up a selection of TradingView's tools, but for what we're doing, you simply need to choose Chart. Click that, and you'll open up a fresh, interactive chart area where we'll be building our index. Next, you'll see a search bar at the top left corner of your chart. Click into that search box and start typing your first currency pair. For instance, let's try euros, that's the euro against the US dollar. This pair is a great starting point because it's one of the major pairs and heavily traded worldwide. Select it and the chart will update to display that pair's price action. Now here where TradingView really shines. It lets you create custom formulas right inside the symbol search box. Let's say you want to measure the euro's overall strength. You don't just care about how it moves against the dollar, you want to see its strength against several major currencies at once. To do this, you can use basic arithmetic operators right in the search bar. Plus for addition, minus for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, and the slash for division, just like you use in a calculator. Let me give you a hands-on example. To build a simple euro index, you could multiply together several euro-based currency pairs. Enter EURUSD, EURGBP asterisk, EURJPY asterisk, EURCHF. What's happening here is you're combining the euro's value versus the US dollar, the British pound, the Japanese yen, and the Swiss franc. The result is a synthetic chart, meaning you'll see a blended representation of how strong the euro is across these major trading partners. This can be super insightful if you want to avoid the bias of analyzing just one pair at a time. But to make this index more balanced and meaningful, you'll want to tweak the formula a bit. Specifically, you should use parentheses to ensure the math is done correctly, just like in regular algebra. Wrap your equation in parentheses so it looks like this: EURUSD, EURGBP asterisk, EURJPY asterisk, EURCHF. Now if you want a simple way to find the average, so no single pair overpowers the others, just divide by the number of pairs you're using. In this case that's 4, so the formula becomes EURUSD, EURGBP asterisk, EURJPY asterisk, EURCHF / 4. Don't worry if you're not a math whiz, the key is that dividing helps normalize the index so you get a smoother sense of the euro's overall strength. Sometimes this division step trips people up, but just take a breath and double check that you're dividing by the correct number. It'll become second nature quickly. Here's a quick tip. If you want your index to be even broader and more comprehensive, feel free to add more pairs like EURCAD for the Canadian dollar, EURAUD for the Australian dollar, or even EURNZD for the New Zealand dollar. The more pairs you blend, the more complete your index will be. Just remember to adjust your division to match. And that's it. You've just built a custom currency index in TradingView. Play around with different formulas, see what gives you the clearest insight for your trading style, and don't be afraid to experiment. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a like. Drop any questions or ideas for future videos in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And if you want more hands-on, practical trading tutorials, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.